Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a smoky eye look with glitter. Firstly, I have prepped my skin with moisturizer and sunscreen. Then I'll do my eyebrows. After my eyebrows, I'll prep up my eyelids with a concealer with my finger. I'm not using a brush. This is very important before starting the eye makeup. Now I have taken a dark blue colored eyeshadow. I'm just using a brush and putting it on my eyelids till my crease line. I'll follow the same process in both the eyelids. I'll just dust off the extra pigments from my eyelids with my fingers. After that, I've taken a pink color eyeshadow and with a square shaped brush, I'm just putting a little bit of that pigment, pink color pigment, above the crease line. I'll blend the colors properly with my fingers so that they don't look different from one another. The same thing I'm doing on my the other eyelid. Now I'll take the same brush and little bit of the pink pigment and put it in the tear line just below the tear line. You can see how I'm putting the color below my tear line. I'll do the same thing in both the eyes. Now I have taken some pigment, some silver pigment, and with my finger, very little, I'm putting it on the center of my eyelids. See, just the way, dabbing it a bit. Now I've taken a thin pointed brush and I'm using black pigment, now black eyeshadow, and putting it like a liner with the brush. I'm not using a liner, I'm using a brush and eyeshadow, and I'm just lining the lids, just the way you see me doing. Now I'm applying Lakme Kajal on my tear line. To make my eye look a little bigger, I'm not bringing the liner to the inner corner of my eye. I'm just adding a little kajal on the above corner of my eyelid. Now I've taken mascara and I'll apply mascara on my upper as well as the lower lashes very nicely. Now with a very narrow brush, I'll just highlight my brow bones with little bit of highlighter. I'll also highlight the corner of my eyes and the lower portion of the eye where I have not put kajal. My eye is now ready. Now I take a concealer cum foundation and apply it all over my face. And then with a brush, I blend it very well. Whatever remains in the brush, I apply it on my neck. Now I take some banana powder with a brush and then I apply it all over my face. Now I take a blusher palette and then I apply little blush on my cheek bone and I blend it very well with the brush. I take some banana powder and then I apply that powder on my lower cheek so that the extra whatever falls on the cheek while applying blush can be removed. Then I take a palette which has a dark brown eyeshadow and I take little bit in my finger, I rub it and then I apply it on the side of my nose so that my nose looks little sharp. But you have to blend it very well so that it doesn't look bad. I take little highlighter and I apply highlighter on my cheekbone, a little bit on my nose and a little bit on my forehead. Now I've taken a natural colored lip liner and I will outline my lips. After lining my lips, I'll apply a mauve colored lipstick to my lips, which is from Sugar. As I've applied glitter to my eyes, I'll apply a little bit of gloss on my lips as well to make it look a little more dramatic. I've used a lip gloss from Bobbi Brown. Now my look is complete. I'll just open up my hair and then I'm ready to go to any party. My look is complete. Hope you liked my makeup. Next time I'll come with some other look. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.